Friends, today we're gonna read I'm invited to party. I'm invited to party. Gerald. Look, I'm invited to the party. Cool. It is cool. Will you go with me? I never have been to a party. I will go with you. I know parties. Party, 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 party. Wait, what is it's a fancy party? We must be ready. Really? I know parties. He knows parties. Zip, zip. Zip, zip, zip. This is fancy. Very fancy. Party, 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 party. Wait, what if it's a pool party? A fancy pool party. We must be ready. I know parties. He knows parties. Zip zap. Zap zip. How is this? We will make a splash. Party, 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 party. Wait, what if it is a costume party? A fancy pool costume party. We must be ready. Zip zap. He had better know parties. Now can we go to the party? Yes. Now we are ready. Well, that is a surprise. Steve, you do know parties. Party, party, party. The end. I hope you like this story. See you in the next video.